Ever get that feeling where life is fine on the surface, but deep down you feel empty? You're not alone. A lot of men feel this way, but they don't talk about it because it's seen as a weakness. It's not. It's a warning light that something's off. Why the emptiness? Disconnected from your purpose or your meaning. You're socially isolated, or you don't have any real male friendships. You've suppressed your emotions for too long. You're stuck in constant performance mode. Your career, your fitness, your relationships, all of it's a distraction. What makes it worse? Escaping with porn, endless scrolling, substances, workaholism, stoic silence, thinking I'll handle it myself? The culture telling us to man up instead of open up. How to start fixing it? Connect with someone, one person you can be honest with. A friend, a therapist, even a stranger in a support group. Feel your feelings. Learn to sit with them instead of numbing them. Purpose. Start small. Do something meaningful every day. Help someone, create something, move your body. A routine plus challenge. A mix of structure and goals. Small wins build confidence and a sense of meaning. You're not broken. You're just disconnected from the version of you that's still in there. And you can rebuild that bridge. If this hit home, leave A in the comments or tag a brother who needs to hear this.